Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we're going to take a look at this thing here. This is a new product from the guys at SpeedyBee. Now a couple of weeks ago I took a look at the SpeedyBee flight controller, and that is a flight controller that has this technology built in and allows you, with the use of their app, to access the Betaflight configurations over Bluetooth. So you don't need a PC, you don't need anything else at the field. If you wanted to change something in Betaflight, even if it wasn't available through the on-screen display, you could access it through that application. And that application is available on Android and iOS. But this is a brand new product that is just out, or just about to come out. And if I take it out of the box, you'll realize that it's a little bit different looking from some of the other things that they've done. Now there's already an existing adapter that's designed to plug into a UART. So if you don't have a flight controller from SpeedyBee and you want the ability to talk to it over Bluetooth, there's one like that, and this is the new one. And you'll notice it has a Bluetooth adapter at one end and it has power leads at the other. If I take the other things out of the box, in here we have a power cable with an XT60 already soldered up, and we have a little bit of clear heat shrink, and we have a little manual as well that shows you how to use it. So let me very quickly go through the specs on this and actually explain what it is. So this is about $20, about 3.5 grams in weight. It has 2S to 7S power input, so pretty much any battery you can power it from, and it's designed to plug into the USB connector on your flight controller and give you full access to all of the Betaflight settings through this little thing. And interestingly, it'll also power the flight controller as well. So let me just show you how it works. Put a couple of these out the way. I'll need the one that I've already made up. So that's what it looks like when it's made up. Got the heat shrink over it and the other thing as well. And we're also going to need a flight controller. So this is a little omnibus board flashed with Betaflight 3.3. And I'll also need my tablet running the SpeedyBee app. So the way it works is we're just going to plug the USB connector into flight controller, plug that in as well. There we go, flight controller is powered. We're going to connect via Bluetooth. It's going to scan. There's the little adapter at the top. Click on there. There we are. We're looking at the flight controller, and we have access to all of the settings just as you would expect. So you can go through and you can change anything that you need to on the flight controller. Now the interesting thing about this for me is originally when I first got them I was thinking, how the heck is this going to make my life easier? But there is a couple of different ways. And for me, there's a couple of ways that I'm going to use this thing. First of all, at the field, it's going to be very handy to have this with my tablet or my iPhone and just be able to get all of the settings, and if I'm changing things, rather than have to take a laptop. So if you're ever in a situation where you're having to take a little PC to the field to change things on your board, then with this little guy, you don't have to worry about that at all. Second thing is, at the moment the application only supports Betaflight, but I could see an instance where I might want to use this to potentially power flight controllers and get a Bluetooth connection into an iNav flight controller where there aren't any spare UARTs. So that potentially is another use as well, but at the moment the application is only designed for Betaflight. So let me just unplug this and move that out the way. So I've been very lucky and I've managed to get my hands on a couple of extra ones. And what I'd like to do is to do a giveaway with these. So to be with a chance of winning both of these, I'll give both away to two different people. So one to one person, one to another, using the random comment picker. So to be with a chance of winning these, make sure that you've liked the video, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below, and I'll do the pick in about a week. And then hopefully two of the people will be able to play with these things. And I do like the idea of just being able to be at the field and without having a PC, or maybe I'm realised that I set something incorrectly, or I want to change something very quickly through the application rather than navigating through the on-screen display menu, I can just pull out my little SpeedyBee adapter and my phone and get it sorted at the field. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.